Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best deals on Ninja blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is best for professional use, Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen Blender. Undoubtedly, this BL770 is a blessing for the kitchen pros. It is the ideal blender when it comes to measuring speed and capacity at the same time. The speedy performance only takes 30 seconds to make 2 pounds of dough, for instance. Well, if you are worried about strong elements, take care of that too, whether it is ice, vegetable seeds, or something else. And why not when you get a 1500 watt of power back, right? You can control different blending needs with the dedicated 4 variable speed controllers. Chronologically, these are dough, blend, crush, and last one for drinks. Without the 72-ounce base jar, there are also 2 more specially designed cups with sticky lids that weigh 16 ounces. All the containers are entitled to BPA-free certification to enhance longevity. Besides, you can clean these with dishwashers without any worry about causing scratch or damage. But make sure to use warm water while cleaning. Number 2. Our second best pick is best for large batches, Ninja BL770 Professional Plus Blender. Yes, you can get a perfect kitchen tackler for large batches, but not at an affordable price like this Ninja BL770. Our last addition in this Best Ninja Blender review is the ultimate one for those budget seekers who are not ready to compromise kitchen mastery. Since the blender is backed by a potent 1400 watt motor, crushing ice like stuff is going to be calm and less time-consuming. The button-based operating system, which is powered by Auto IQ, makes it easier for you to operate the machine. There are 3 built-in presets to customize the blender speed for different purposes. So far, it is the best low-budget offering by the Ninja family. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is best for power, Nutri Ninja BL642 Countertop Blender. For getting concentrated blending, there is no alternative to Nutri Ninja BL642. Having this 1200 watt of power pack means you can crush anything, you just name it. Besides, to make the extraction fluent and satisfying, this blender is also intelligent with the revolutionized Auto IQ technology. The blender works like a charm when it comes to crushing ices and other robust things. Whether it is seeds, vegetables, or juice ingredients, this blender takes only a few seconds to show you the results. Thanks to the stainless steel made sharper blades to make that possible. There is an extra large 72 ounces of container that allows you to blend more in once. Alongside this, the unit consists of small to jumbo sizes of cups for different serving needs. Without the versatility, we did not find any compromise in durability measures. The container and cups are made of high-impact plastic. Also, the quality of the lids is good. There are no leakage issues found in the caps. Therefore, the cups are the perfect suit to enjoy your drinks on the go. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.